This is going to hold you. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
You hold on the here. You hold here.
Hold here kasi.
Yan.
Hold here tight. Then use your feet to go up.
Cannot, daddy. Oh, si daddy na lang. Hold na lang ikaw ni daddy to go up. Oh, hold mo na lang daw siya, daddy.
You can roll like this also. Roll. Roll.
Can you do that? Okay, go. Kailangan mo talaga siya. Okay, daddy will hold you. Go na.
Your back.
Go.
Go.
You focus. Don't worry, daddy is on your back. Galing. Sige, go. Tulog pa daw sila, Draven. Go. Oh, step your feet. Good job.
Just like your bed. Just like going up to the bed.
Yeah, good job. Oh, be careful. Kailangan niya kasing lumipat. It's okay, daddy will help you to lipat. Go. Go. Ayan, very good. That's good.
Here. Other hand here. Yeah.
Good job.
Wait lang. Your other feet again. Here. Yeah. Here.
Ilabas mo na doon. Ilabas mo na.
No. Not like this. Like this.
Careful. Yan. Okay, step. Good job. Okay. Now your hand on the handrail na, baby.
Handrails.
Doon sa taas. To the grills. Green one.
To the wheels.
Okay na. It's okay. Yeah, you stand up na. Very good.